Welcome to Life Beyond Certificate channel. In this video, I will be telling you what Amazon Influencer Program is all about, and how you can earn from it. But before I continue, I will encourage you to like, share and subscribe to this channel. The Amazon Influencer Program is an expansion of the Amazon Associates Program that allows influencers to post content on Amazon about products that customers may be interested in. An influencer is someone who promotes brands to their social media followers on channels such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and TikTok. Any influencer from any category is eligible to take part in this program. Amazon influencers are bloggers, YouTubers and social media influencers who promote Amazon third-party brands before their viewers and earn a commission as an Amazon affiliate. In order to do so, they have to be a part of the Amazon Associates Program. Influencers are able to independently determine whether to recommend a product. Amazon does not modify or edit content, as long as they comply with Amazon posting guidelines. Amazon influencers make money by encouraging their audience to make purchases on Amazon through a variety of outlets, including YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, blogs, websites, TikTok. The following requirements must be met by applicants in order to be accepted into the program. They need to have an active YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook account. They need to have a good amount of follower base, around 20,000 followers minimum. They need to engage with your viewers. They need to post content that is relevant to products being sold on Amazon. As soon as they are approved for the program, these influencers create a unique storefront on Amazon, with all of the product recommendations they are endorsing. Now, they publish these links on their blogs or social media pages, so that their audience can quickly and easily interact with that product. If the customer makes a purchase, the Amazon influencer gets a commission from Amazon for referring the sale. How to apply for the Amazon Influencers Program. Step 1. Registration to apply. Type affiliateprogram.amazon.com/influencers in your Google browser, then click on the sign up button located in the center of the header image. Once you click that button, it's going to ask you to create a new Amazon account or use an existing customer account. Click on create a new account. Amazon will require standard information to create a customer account like your name, email, password, address. Amazon's customer account is fundamental to creating the influencer program. The registration process for the influencer program will require you to fill up the following information. 1. Access to your most prominent social media account, username or URL. 2. Add the account that has the largest follower base. 3. A profile picture. 4. An optional header image. 5. Your name. 6. A 350-character bio. 7. The address you would like all reports to be sent to. Step 2. Applying to the influencer program now. You have to choose between 4 different social media platforms: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok or Facebook. You must connect your account to Amazon if you choose YouTube or Facebook. If you choose Instagram, you must enter your Instagram handle, the amount of posts you've made, and the number of followers you have. You should select the site where your social media presence is strongest. Your chances of having your application accepted depends on the number of followers you have. Step 3. Create your storefront. You must provide your storefront name and tagline in the next step. Custom storefronts can be created by Amazon brand registry members to improve their marketing. A unique Amazon storefront is also available to Amazon influencers. What sets Amazon influencers apart from Amazon associates is this store. The ideal situation would be for you to endorse goods that you have used or are presently using. The most prosperous participants in the Amazon Influencer Program frequently discuss how they use the product. Make sure to include both a profile photograph and a header image if you want to make your storefront interesting. However, what you promote will likely depend on these factors. 1. The type of content you produce. 2. The social networks you are part of. 3. The products you enjoy. 4. How appropriate it is for your influencer brand. Promoting your storefront on your social media, blog, or website. You may start promoting your influencer marketing Amazon storefront after it has been set up. Even if they click the link and find themselves not liking the product mentioned in your blog or video, they might find something else. Below are some quick tips you can use to promote your storefront. 1. Include the link in your bio. 2. Include the link on your landing page. 3. Build content around products in your storefront. 4. Have multiple platforms. Step 4. Create your account. Lastly, add your account information. Once done, click on Save and Finish and you'll be redirected to the Amazon Associates dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, follow the Amazon Influencer Program on Instagram with the account you have used to register for the program. Your application will not be approved until you do so. How much money do influencers make? There is a set commission proportion for influencers for each Amazon catalog. For instance, the categories for luxury beauty, luxury stores beauty, and Amazon coins have a 10% commission rate, while the categories for video game consoles, groceries, and personal care only have a 1% commission rate for influencers. Before selecting the category you wish to advertise, make sure you thoroughly research Amazon's commission income statement. You might think the commission rate is very low for some categories, but over time, the ROI will really mount up. The best part is that adding your storefront link to your YouTube or Instagram bio is completely free, so it is well worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified when we drop new videos.